Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Anastasia Kiambuthi. If you're not new here, welcome back. So guys, I'm back with another video for you. Actually, this is a continuation of the last video you saw. In the last video that you saw, so it's like a continuation. So later on in the day, after I got ready, went to school, me and my friends decided to make donuts. But first we had to make a snack because we were really hungry and it was around lunchtime. So we made fries, then we're going to make donuts. By the way, I have a donut video, a whole donut video that is well documented. If you would like to learn to make donuts from step to step, it's really documented. I will leave it the link in the description box for you to click. Come on, watch if you want to learn how to make donuts. But anyway, yeah, that was all for this video. But anyway, hope you'll enjoy, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So first of all, I sifted the flour and mixed all the dry ingredients. That is all-purpose flour. There is baking powder or wheat, whatever you have. I also mixed a pinch of salt. Let's say like a half tablespoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of sugar, and yeah, that was all for the dry ingredients. The next thing that I mixed the wet ingredients. That is 2 eggs, milk and margarine. If you have butter, well and good, but if you have salted butter, reduce on the amount of salt because as the one a salt mob. But anyway, that was all. Then I mixed all the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients to make the dough. Then I left it to rest for like 1 hour so that it can raise. Then we're going to roll out, as you will roll out the flour, the dough, I mean, as you will see up on mbele. And yeah, that was all. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but for the yeast, it's supposed to be like 2 tablespoons of yeast and you'll be good to go. And yeah. As I had said, for the dough, I left it to sit for like 1 hour and we raise. And I lost the clip yenye tulikuwa tuna roll out the dough. Then we cut out easy donuts na whatever we were using. I lost that clip, but anyway, you just roll it out, cut out the donut the way it's supposed to be. Then hizo zenye umecut out, you leave them to rest for like another 15 minutes or so, and then now you is it shallow fry or deep fry them or whatever to golden brown, and yeah, you'll be good to go. Hi guys, I hope you're doing good. Today is on a Thursday. It's around 8 p.m. Anyway, hi, my name is Anastasia Kiambuthi. If you're new here, if you're not new here, welcome back. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Doing an intro because atujaongea one-on-one. You just the previous clip we were making donuts, so I didn't make an intro for the video. Yeah, so hi, welcome. So today I decided I want to make scented candles, homemade candles. I don't have essential oils. Those 2 small oils for scent, like eucalyptus, lavender. I don't have, but I've watched a few do-it-yourself videos on YouTube Shorts na TikTok. And nimeona you can use perfume, your most preferred perfume. And I have a few, so I said why not? Anyway, the last time I tried to make this candles, they backfired because I didn't watch videos online, so I just did it because niliona Megan. I've watched this show on Netflix, with Love, Megan. If you have not watched it, you should. Yeah, so she was making candles and she made it look so easy. So mina kierere yangu nikajiambia nini, kama Megan Markle anaweza, sasa mimi naweza. Nilienda huko nikamess zangu nikafanya mambo yangu. Anyway, yeah, I want to try it again today. Sijui kama mnaona nyuma, but I have a few essentials zenye niko nazo available, but anyway, I'm going to be using perfume instead of essential whatever they are called. I don't know if I'm saying the right thing. If I'm not, I stand to be corrected. But anyway, yeah, that's what's up. So let me show you like everything I have, then we get into the video. Yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, so I have like these two plants for decor. I don't know if it will work. So I have toothpicks, or you can use whatever you have. I have tissue in case I make a mess. And yeah, I have two perfumes. Although I'm not loving this one, maybe I will use this one. I also have this one which I'm going to use, and yeah, that's it. So the rest is cocoa. Let me show. So this is the first candle that I made. You can see that I messed up. I don't know what's up. The wick is like the candle wick is like uko ndani, nani kwa hapa kando. So yeah, I did my own shenanigans. Anyway, I have 4 candles. Nishatumia kiasi. So I have 4 candles, and I also want to use this curtain. I don't know, maybe haitakuwa enough, maybe itatosha hapa, I don't know, I will see. Anyway, kama itatosha, I will use this. Anyway, yeah, I want to like use the stove, it melt easy hapa. Then yeah, let's do that. I also added like the one I had made before, so itakuwa na vitu to decor, so msishanga hizo nini. Yeah, iko na uto plants. So that is the progress. Woo. Yeah, I want to remove these wicks because I'm going to use them. So never fall. Free like the sky, no more goodbye. In the night we hear the call. So I was only able to like make one. The wax was not enough. Maybe I will go and get more wax another day, not today. Yeah, let me add something I forgot to add. So we've added the perfume like uko chini, as you saw, for the scent. I don't know if this will add color. It's food color if you want to laugh. Yep. Just experimenting, I swear. So we're going to wait. Candles like take like 5 hours, up to 5 hours to like 4 hours. Nilisikia 4 hours to like dry zikuwe sawa. So we will wait and see. So first of all, you're supposed to melt the candle wax. As you saw penye nilifanya, I melted the candle wax kwanza. Then after melting it, you let it cool like a little bit. You don't like add it direct to the container you're going to make like the candle wax. So you let it like cool a bit. Then you're going to use like these 2 sticks. If you have, what are they called? I forgot the name. Like these 2 sticks. You're going to use them and tie the candle wick on it. Ndio ikuwe centered kwa candle yako. That is where I went wrong the first time. So the first thing you're going to do to your container, as you've seen I've done, you're supposed to spray the perfumes that you're going to use, ama the essential oils you're going to use. You're going to like kuziweka huko chini. Then you pour in the wax, the warm wax, so because hizo itakuwa warm. Then you add hizo toppings na weke wick, like the candle wick ikiwa na hapo kakitu kakushikilia hapo juu, ikikauka ikiwa katikati. Then you can add the need to decorations ka hivyo nimeadd. Then you add perfume juu tena ndio ikuwe nini. Then you like mix it up na kakijiti tu ama whatever you have, and you're good to go. Imagine. Then you leave it to dry. So let's wait and see the result after like 4 hours. 4 hours itakuwa 12. Oh, will I be awake at midnight? I don't know. But anyway, yeah, we're done. I'm proud of myself. But let's wait for the results kwanza. So yeah. Hi guys. 3 hours 30 minutes later, I'm so sleepy. And I don't know if you can see, it's already dry. I'm loving the visuals. It really looks nice. This is a food color. Why is it dripping? Anyway, it's already dry. So I want to cut off like the wick to my preferred size. So I've removed this. Again, I'm sorry for the background noise. People are partying. They're partying. So yeah, I'm going to cut off the wick to my preferred size. So that is cut off. And moment of truth. Oh, moment of truth, if it's scented or not. Let's see. Okay, hope it smells nice. Just give it a minute. Oh, it really smells nice. I know. Let me like pick up the phone instead. So that is all it really smells nice. It's only that you can't smell it through the phone, but it really smells nice. Yeah. So we're going to make more with you guys next time when I get more wax, that is. But anyway, yeah, that's it. I'm really proud of myself.